So we got the YFC all put back together, looking fresh. Got some big 22 by 10 by 10 ambush on the back. Obviously we got some snow. We live in Canada, this is how we roll. So I wanted to take the Banshee out today because I've been messing with this and she's running good and things are going great with it. But obviously with those Razor TTs on the back, I'm not going too far with anything with that today. But fuck it, we'll take her down the driveway and just come back because this thing's sick. Yeah, baby. Listen to this.